Before we start the video, make sure to hit that subscribe button and click that notification, and you'll be in the family of Flower Squad. Hey Sunflower, so today we are doing our own morning routine thing. So today I just came out of my apartment and I'm going to the spinning wheel. Only a little diamonds? Oh. That's weird. Okay. Hey. Hi. Need help? So I guess I never seen a rat here before. Don't be mean like that. You're not allowed to say that. OMG. I'm not mean. Yes, you are. You just said a rat to me. You know what? It's just the truth. Okay. You know what? I'm just gonna spin the wheel. Oh, I can spin it. Okay. That's cool. That's amazing. Okay. It's just the truth. Stop saying that. Just me. Okay. Now I'm gonna go to the video park. Hopefully she won't follow me. Ha ha ha! Is she following me? Because I ain't liking people following me. Okay, let's just go to the video park. I love the video park. It's so pretty and I might get a halo. I wish I get a halo. Okay, I'm here at the video park. What is she doing? She's typing. I'm back, mole rat. Don't be rude! You're so mean. I'm gonna go now. I sound like Mickey Mouse. Okay. What did she say? You walk like a zombie. You walk the same as me. What the heck? Okay, this girl is weird. What is she saying now? I'm prettier. More like she's uglier. Okay, I'm sorry. Okay, I'm just gonna wish at the fountain. Okay, let's make a wish. Do you know who I am? No? Okay, whatever. I wish to have a halo. Okay. She's typing. Let's just chill with it. After making a wish at your fountain, you head on the beach on the earth with your friends. And okay, too lazy to. Okay. What should I do? What should I do? What should I do? Guys, comment down below. Rat. That's mean. So, okay, I think I'm gonna go with D, Okay. Hopefully I got a halo. You think it is best to avoid the rocking shipwreck, so you go to the Friends Explore Race Coral Reef. Okay, I don't know. Aww, I lost diamonds. Okay. I wonder if she got a halo. Okay. It's not fair. Whatever. She won't probably get it. She look pretty. I saw her. Okay. You lost diamonds. I don't care. You might lost diamonds too. I got diamonds. Oh, you know what? I think I'm gonna go to... Where should I go now? Where should I go? Where should I go? Let's see. Where should I go? How about... wait. What? Wait. What? What does she want again? I challenge you. Challenge me what? What do you want to challenge me? To a dress off. Guys, should I do it? Because I don't know if I should do it. But like, I don't think I've ever done a dress off. Oh my gosh. Oh. It's not funny. Look, oh, okay. You're too scared. No, I'm not. Okay, I'll do the dress off. Oh, gosh. Let's just... What is the dress off thing? What is the dress off thing? I said. The color is purple. Okay. Let's go. Okay. Let's go somewhere where she will know, so she won't look at me and she won't cheat. How about here? This looks cute. This top looks cute. Okay, let's change. Definitely gonna still wear my beautiful thing. My beautiful, Wait, let's go somewhere I can see my feet. Oh gosh. How about here? This is okay. Okay. Should I get a skirt? Yeah. How about the dragon train dress skirt? Because that looks pretty. That looks so pretty. Okay. Let's go to the purple spot. Let's see. How about this? Oh my gosh. How about this? That looks cute. How about another one? Like, another one. Oh gosh. So I'm finally done, and I think I look pretty cute. So I think I'm gonna go now. Oh my god. She looks... Oh, we have the same hair. Wow. We have the same hairdo. What's so funny? Okay. I said we'll meet at the swing, but okay. I'm just gonna go to the... Oof. Okay. Ouch. Hello. Ugly. She's calling herself ugly. Okay. It's okay. Her hair color is blue. Her hair color is blue. Yes. And then she looks cute. We all have the same one. Same hair. Okay. So, guys, comment down below. Oh my gosh. Okay. There's siren thing. No, your hair is blue and black. Okay, so comment down below if you think mine's better or hers better. So yeah, let's go to the next one. Okay, so what's the next color? What's so funny I said? Gosh, what's the next color? Okay, guys, brown it is. Let's change to brown. My hair's already brown, so I don't think I need to change my hair color. Now I think I'm gonna do a corset. So, corset. Oh gosh. Bubbles! Get out of my way. Oh, there's one here. Okay. How about no corset? I'll just do like the thing. Come. This looks cute. Okay, I'm doing this. I'm definitely doing this. This looks so cute. I'm still doing my favorite shoe. This one is not like really brown. How about like I'll change this to more pastel-y. How about another color? Because like this one is not really brown. Oh, that looks cute. Should I do that, guys? Yeah, I think I'm gonna do this because this looks cute. Get my hair. So like I do not want the same hair. How about this? This looks cute. Okay, I keep saying this looks cute because it's cute. Okay, guys. Just, it looks cute. Oh. Should I do this hair? Cause like, oh no, that's black. It became big. How about Ariana? No. How about like bangs? Maybe bangs will make it better. Oh, there's new bangs. This looks cute. Oh, should I do that, guys? How about this? No. That bang is the most used bang for me. Ooh, I don't know what to pick. Okay, how about this? Looks like Ariana Grande. Again, being very like weird. Okay, you know what? I think I'm gonna go with a hair I know, and it's one of my favorites. So where is that hair? There it is. This hair. Okay. I don't think I'm gonna do anything else, should I? I think I'm gonna put some accessories to make it glamorous, Malek. Yeah. How about a teddy? Since teddy is like brown, and I should have a brown teddy. Okay. Oh, if you heard that, just ignore that. Okay. Okay, I'm done. So guys, this is our results. Oh gosh. Yeah, this is our results. Wait, I accidentally did something. How about... There we go. Now it's brown. Okay, so... What's so funny? I told you, stop laughing at me. Okay, so... Guys, comment down below again. Who do you think it's much cuter? I think I look so cute. What is she gonna say? Your face. Just gonna. Ha ha ha. What face? What did he say? Your eyes are like a monster. How rude. Okay, I made my brown eyes. It's not funny, you know. It's not funny. I'm not rude. You're rude. Okay, so guys, comment down below if you think who's better. So guys, I hope you guys, sunflowers. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to like, subscribe. So yeah, bye sunflowers.